Guys, good morning all. Am I
Good
audible to
morning.
everyone?
Good morning.
Yeah,
Good morning,
yes,
sir.
sir. Good
Good
morning,
morning.
sir. Good morning,
Yeah,
sir.
very good morning to each and everyone, guys. Just wait for only 3 minutes. We'll start the session.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Guys, in the last session, till which point we were done? Anyone, please?
Yes, sir.
Till which point we were done? I think we started a GL submodule, right?
Yes.
Had we posted any transactions?
Yes, posted.
Till which point we were done, Amma? Anyone?
So, revision of GL account.
Till revision of GL submodule, right?
Yes.
Regarding yesterday's session notes, I mean video, had you all got or not? Last session recording. Had you guys or received or
No,
not?
No.
No,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
unable.
Yes, sir. Received.
No, sir, not received.
Not received, sister.
Sudhakar, good morning. Some of the videos, since we moved from Zoom to Teams, some of the videos are not been uploaded in the dashboard. I've already requested the consent team also, so I'm still waiting for their confirmation on that.
Okay. Actually, last class we taken around for about 4 hours, right? Regarding revision.
Sir, 2 days, sir.
What, Amma?
We had taken Saturday and Sunday. Last Saturday, Sunday, there was a revision.
Yes, Saturday, Sunday. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
We done only the revision part, right?
Yes.
So, with me only Sunday recording is there, Amma. Not on recording Saturday. Just
It
one second.
It shows
great
the
to
recording is there
share that
when
one through
we
Teams.
open the recording, no? So
Mm.
there is nothing in that recording.
Yes. Yes, only 7 minutes. One clip is there.
In this batch, Sanjana, is it there? Vishnuvardhan, Girish, Chirag,
I'm there,
Deva,
Sudhakar, Vishnu.
Hardik, Amit, Pradeep, Monica. You all right? Yeah, why? Because I'm just checking one recording with respect to 250202. Have you all received this particular recording? February on February 2nd.
Yeah, so there are three videos are uploaded over portal, second Feb.
Next. On Sunday one. Just 1 second, Amma. On last Sunday one, had you all received?
Last September.
Last Sunday we are not receiving any videos.
Sir, in the portal it shows view recording, but when we click on the recording, no, there is nothing in that recording.
Yes.
That is
Mobile
the
meets there.
earlier it was showing live class ended. Now it has been showing that yes, view recording. But then when we click on view recording, there is nothing.
Okay. I can see one recording, Amma, with respect to Sunday. Okay. I'll share you the particular video. You guys no need to worry. Okay. You guys, okay, afternoon or evening, I will share you. You guys no need to worry about it, okay?
Okay, sir.
Now again, please come back, guys. Guys, here, usually, to whom you guys will pay in the organization?
Employees.
Employees,
Employee.
good. For only employees?
Other daily
Payroll
activities,
balance.
daily expenses also. So
Then
vendors
vendors.
also.
Okay,
Vendors.
Vendors.
vendors. Okay, now come back, come on. Guys, here, vendors are nothing but the persons who provide us goods or services. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
You can
Yes.
see services in perspective. Our friend is saying salary, somebody was said, right? Salary or wage. So you can see contract role. So here, vendor is providing service to the organization.
Yes.
Whatever he can provide us, it is not fixed. Is it clear?
Yes.
He can provide us anything. It is not restricted to any single product or single service. You guys may think that vendor will provide us only the raw material. No, he can provide us anything. The persons who provide us any product or good or service, here we call them as vendors. Now again, please come back. For every GL, are we not giving a specific number or not to record a transaction?
Yes, sir. We'll give the number.
We are giving one identification number in order to
No.
manage the
Record.
record
Yes.
journal entries. Yes or no?
Yes.
Here also, for every vendor, we give one specific number. Why you are giving? In order to give
Record.
identification and to manage the books of accounts. Is it clear? Now,
Yes.
in OBD4, what we done, guys? We define GL account group, share capital, current asset, current liability, expense, income we
Groups.
created. Is this
Group.
particular five account groups, is it fixed in the real time also?
Yes, sir.
No. As per your client requirement, it will increases or it may
Yeah, it
decrease.
will. Yeah.
Is it clear? It
Yes.
is not fixed. Here also, as per the client requirement, you can create a number of vendor account groups. But for the practice, we're just taking only three: domestic, international, temporary. To the temporary vendors, what we call one-time vendors also. Now, any one of you please try to give me the answer. Who are the domestic vendors?
In
Vendor.
India,
The
in India,
services in India. Services taken from India.
Okay, the persons who provide us goods or
Services.
service from within the country.
within country, yes.
Then what about the international vendors?
Goods and services provided by vendor outside the country.
Foreign vendors.
Then
Or in
who
Out
are
of
the
India,
temporary vendors?
one-time vendors from where we purchase at only once or
single entry.
single single transaction. There may be only single transaction from the
Okay. So in order to manage, in order to meet demand and supply, we purchase some goods or services from the temporary vendors, guys. Okay. Now, is it clear to everyone?
S sir.
Any
Yes,
doubts to anyone?
No, sir.
Guys, uh, I think in your graduation days, there is a chapter called reconciliation of accounts in plus one
Yes.
or plus two. You
Yes.
guys can find there. What you guys will do?
Uh, Doing reconciliation with bank and the passbook. That's a
Fine.
BRS we used to do in the graduation, but live scenario it's completely different.
Okay, okay, we'll talk it. I we just wants to know the basic. That is the reason asking.
Yes.
What is the reconciliation accounts? Okay,
Comparing
what is
two
the meaning
accounts.
of the what is the meaning of the account reconciliation?
Comparing
Comparing two
two
accounts and
accounts.
finding out the difference and
Yes.
Here you have to use the word cross checking. From the cross checking, you will find the difference. So when we see bank reconciliation statement, there you are cross checking bank passbook with the cash register. Yes or no? But while
Yes.
comes to here also we are maintaining one reconciliation account. So whatever account groups you create, for every account group will maintain one reconciliation account. So here, whatever you create a vendor, first it will be stored in whatever you guys create a reconciliation account. It will whatever you create a vendor, first it will be stored in the reconciliation. In the future, whenever you do the transaction, then it will be stored at two different places. One is that in the reconciliation account, and next in the particular individual vendor. In the future, it will be used to cross check. Is it clear?
Yes.
Sir, that
Yes.
means no any entry is outstanding in the vendor account. It will be reflected in the reconciliation account. I think so.
Each and every small transaction will be recorded at the two places. Okay. All the transaction related to outstanding payments, invoice, down payments, everything will be recorded at the two places. Is it clear? What I'm saying, at the time of creation of vendor, you link this particular reconciliation account. So whatever transaction you're doing in the future, it will be recorded two different places, and it will be used in the future while you do the audits.
Yes.
Is it clear, guys? Yeah, the word meaning of the word reconciliation is nothing but cross check. When you are cross checking in the audit, okay. Any doubts, still
No, sir.
to everyone? Is it clear?
Yes.
Next, next here, guys. Anyone, please tell me. Um, when we used the tolerance, guys. Till now, when we use the tolerance.
Sudhakar, are you sharing your screen?
No, no, no. Just discussing. Okay, just wait. I'll dictate the notes. Now, any one of you, please tell me when we use the tolerance. Anyone?
To set limit.
Yes.
To
When
set
in
limit to the
BCP code,
employees or
Control
tolerance
GL
for
control
GL
employees.
type.
users,
It's a control type.
tolerance for
And
GL users, and tolerance for employees.
yeah,
Right. Here we use tolerance for both vendors and
vendors.
customers in order to restrict in the case of down payment, payment differences, terms and condition. Is it clear? Next, guys, why you are using document type SA?
For GL transactions. Explain.
GL
Payment
transaction,
payment processing, I think.
GL account document amount. For recording invoice for payment related to the GL, we are using only single SA document. Okay. For recording invoice and for clearance also we're using same document type, that is SA. Is it clear? Next. Now, anyone please tell me what we use in the OB52? What we done in the OB52, guys? Anyone?
Define
Open and
opening
closing
period.
Open
posting
and closing
period
Opening
posting
period,
variance.
periods.
posting period, or
So in OB52, you guys defined the opening and closing posting period variance. There you guys had seen A account type A, D, K, M, S, V, right? Different
Yes,
account
sir.
types.
Yes.
S is nothing but GL account. For yes, what do you use the document type?
essay.
Can you all cross check all these things, Amma? I'm just cross checking. I mean, I'm just interlinking all the things in order to compare. You guys has to get the idea, right? Where, what we're using. For S, for GL account document, you're using SA document type, right? Now, for the K, we use vendors. For vendors, we use three different document types. Okay. Now, for the vendor, what the number it denotes some? What the alphabet? K, right? Here, always in SAP, Z denotes for payment. Z denotes for payment. A denotes for down payment. Z is why you're using Z? Payment. A down payment or invoice. Is it clear? KZ vendor payment. KA vendor advance. K or vendor invoice. Is it clear? K is used for the vendors. Z is used for the payments. A is used for advances or invoices. KZ vendor payment. KA vendor advance. KR vendor invoice. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Guys, if you're having any kind of doubt, at least please put me a message, guys. Okay. Now, anyone of you please tell me why we use, I mean, what is business partner? Guys, who are the business partners? Anyone?
So two
Basically,
people coming
anyone.
together for a business purpose.
Can maintain the customer details and
One who helps in the business.
What am Who are the business partners?
Partnership concern.
So
One
when
who
it
shares
comes
the
to
profit and loss.
In SAP, I think basically business partners are like vendors and customers.
good,
Yeah.
excellent.
Vendor and cash.
Guys, usually business partners are nothing but the persons who involves in profit or loss by investing some amount. But when it comes to SAP, business partners having different meaning. Okay. Simply you guys will apply business partners are nothing but partnership act you guys will apply. But when it comes to SAP, you should not. As per SAP, business partners are nothing but vendors and customers. Now, here you guys may get one doubt, sir, why we need to discuss about this particular thing regarding the business partner? because business partner will be plays key role to store the data related to both vendors and customers. Is it clear? So it is acting as a center to record both the data related to vendor and customer. That is the reason for requirement of this business partner configuration. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Next, what we discussed, we're having three different vendor account groups, right? Domestic, international, one time. Here, as many as account groups, vendor or customer you maintain, same number of business partner groups you has to maintain. So now related to vendor, how many business partner groups you has to maintain? Three. Because right now you defined for vendor three different account groups. Okay, is it clear? Next, guys, will you pay any down payment to
Sudhakar,
your vendor or not?
Sudhakar, can you repeat the last concept?
Yeah. Here on at the starting, what we said, we maintain three different vendor account groups, right? So here, as many as account group you maintain, as many as vendor account group you maintain, same number of business partner account groups you has to maintain. So right now you maintained three account groups for the vendor. So now how many account groups how many business partner account groups you has to maintain? Three.
Correct.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now guys, will you give any down payment to your vendor or not?
Yes, we'll give the down payment.
Suppose think that you given some amount to your
Advance.
vendor. He not performed his duty. Do you guys have any right to take back the amount?
Yes.
Yes.
Suppose if I not give you down payment, what you guys will do?
Bad.
Bad debts.
Suppose think that the particular amount is 1 lakh crore, you consider it as a bad debt.
No.
We
You
need to
guys will go
recover that.
legally, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Will take steps to recover
Yes.
the
Legal
particular amount.
actions.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Reminders.
Yes.
We'll put the reminder.
Yeah. So you
Yes.
guys will do the you guys will go for the legal action. Yes or no? So
Yeah.
while
Yes.
you send, I mean, directly will you go to the legal actions? No, you guys
No.
will send some reminders, business reminders. Then you guys will send the legal notice. Is it clear?
Yes.
In SAP, to send notice, we use dunning, guys. Okay. To send the notice in SAP, what we use? Anyone? Dunning. So dunning is a tool which we use to send the notice, including business and legal. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
We'll see later in depth. You guys no need to worry about it. Now again, please come back. Now what you're saying, you're paying some down payment, and the amount which you guys are paying, you're calling it as your right. Yes or no? Your asset.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So here, in order to give him down payment, what kind of balance you guys will use?
Uh,
Private
reserve
wealth.
balance.
Resource you will go, yeah. Resource having some specific rules in order to utilize. Yes or no?
It is for
For small
dividend.
activities, will you use resource? You should not,
So petty cash.
Not
cash,
petty cash. Not
bank,
petty cash.
or stock. If you follow barter system, then stock. Okay. You guys will use cash or bank or stock. Is it clear? So here, so here the amount which you transferring or stock which you transferring to your vendor, if he doesn't perform duty, you has the right to take back the amount. The rights are always assets. So here, the down payment or advance account what you creating, we consider it as current asset. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Any doubts to everyone? Anyone? Harshit, is it clear?
Can you repeat it once?
Okay. Here, the amount which you giving advance to your vendor, it was your right. So the rights always we consider it as asset. Is it clear? So here, the amount you need to pay to your vendor as a down payment. So you require some funds. Usually the funds will be in the current assets, right? In the form of cash or bank or stock. You will use it to pay the advance. If he doesn't perform the duty, you has the right to take back the amount. So the amount which you give as advance to your vendor, we consider it as current asset. Is it clear, Venkateshwar?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yeah.
Next, guys, when you do transactions with your vendor, will they give you any kind of discounts or not?
Yes, we'll get the discount.
You guys
Yes,
may
we
get
will receive.
discounts based on the terms and conditions. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
In the terms and conditions, if he is not providing any kind of discount, then you will not get. If you, if you do a good bargaining, you may get the discount. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So here, just imagine your vendor has given you some discount. What we has to consider it?
Discount received.
Earlier, okay, earlier the cost of the product is 100 rupees. Now cost of the product is 95 rupees. The variance, the particular difference, 5 rupees.
5%.
What we have to consider it?
5% discount received.
Maybe a
So
credit note.
discount rates in the P&L account, credit side we has to
It should be
consider.
credit side. Yeah. A discount received.
Clear, guys? To everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Any doubts still now to everyone? Okay. Now, is it clear till now to everyone? If it is clear, then we'll discuss on accounts receivable also.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Yes.
Guys, I will give you the notes also. You guys no need to worry. Okay. First, we'll do the oral discussion. Then I will give you the notes. I'll dictate the one notes. Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Guys, from whom will receive the payments?
Customer.
Vendors, customers.
Only customers, Amma.
We'll receive the payment from the customer.
In the receivable, only customers sales.
Yeah, only customers. Now, any one of you please tell me who are the domestic customers?
Those are
Sales
within
in
a
the
country.
India, within India, sales which
In
we
the
do sales within India. This
Who
is the
are the
amount
one-time customers?
from where we sale
Temporary.
once or only one time sale.
Temporary customer.
Temporary customer.
Okay. Then who are the international customers, guys?
Out of
Outside
We
India.
of the
sell the
country,
goods to outside of
doing the
India. International
transactions.
foreign transactions.
Okay. So why would need to maintain reconciliation accounts for customers? We discussed
SMS
it in
vendor,
accounts payable.
SMS in the account payable.
Yes, yes. Here, guys, compared to AP and AR, compared to accounts payable and accounts receivable, there will be 99.999% similarity,
Yeah.
concepts and everything. Is it clear? So here, as many as account group you maintain, the same number of reconciliation accounts you will create in order to create the customer and in order to maintain the transactions. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, any one of you please tell me why we need to maintain tolerance for the customers.
To set the particular limit for the
Particular sale limit.
When you will put the limit,
Depending upon the customer's goodwill
Based on the customer's profile.
just imagine the
profile,
link. Okay, here
reputation.
in business, goodwill will not play vital role. Is it clear? If you are doing business, you has to be specifically. Okay.
Customer
Some
background.
guys, the persons, I mean,
Performance,
from
last performance.
yeah,
So
yeah,
I
sometimes
showed
performance also will fail somehow. As here, you have to
Transactions.
follow your own way. Is it clear? As per your practice. Okay,
so
in the middle,
I
you
think
should not drop based on the image or goodwill of the particular customer because the particular customer only will do the problem. To whom you believe, the particular person only betrays. Okay, so you have to be very careful in the business, especially.
I think threshold
We
is
may take the
basically
written consent from the customer also, no, sir.
While you do the business transactions, will maintain some sort of agreements. As per the agreement only, we'll give the payment terms. You can see here. We'll take one small example, Amma. Dealership. What kind of dealership it may be? Just come. You all know the tractors, right? Tractors, Amma. In India, you can see different brands like Mahindra,
yeah.
Yeah.
Swaraj, and different brands are there, right? If you want to take any kind of dealership, they will ask you some amount. Now it was in between
Deposit.
80 lakhs to 1.5 crores. So here, how much margin they will earn? You guys may not think here, guys. Based on the cost of the product, they will get 20% profit. So just imagine the cost of the tractor is 5 lakhs, then their margin will be 1 lakh. But here, as per the terms and condition, what they will do means the amount which he given as a down payment. Okay. Simply you can say cash and deposit. Once the particular thing is completed or your coaching will complete, they will refund you the amount. Now, here also same. Once the particular dealership completes, they will pay back you. Here, how the things will happens means they will fix on the particular amount. Based on the cost of the down payment, they will give you the tractors. Okay. So here also based on terms and condition in between your parties, you and your customer, this particular payment terms will vary. Other live example I will tell you. You all know uh, thermal power companies, right? Thermal power companies, Amma.
Yes.
Is there I mean,
Yes.
does anyone have idea? There you can see a big, I mean, there in the thermal power plant, what they will use, guys? Coal as a main product in order to produce the power. Yes or no?
Yes.
When you
Yes, sir.
burn the coal, you get the ash. This particular ash will be used in the cement companies. You may not think that, guys. It will here the payment terms will vary based on the down payment. Okay. This particular ash is not only using in the cement company but also in the bricks companies. So here there is my client, one of my client. I mean, when I'm doing as an auditor, I had one client. His turnover, he's a small business guy. Okay, his business is producing of AC bricks, red bricks, and other cement brick will be there, right? So his main business is produce manufacturing of bricks only. Here he paid down payment 50 lakhs in order to get 20% discount. When he paid 5 lakhs as a down payment, he got around only 2% or 3% discount. So
Yes,
here,
sir.
based on the down payment also, terms and conditions will vary. So here, later what he done, he started one more business also, selling of ash. We usually call it as fly ash. Okay, his company is in Telangana, and he used to purchase the particular fly ash from the Andhra Pradesh, Ibrahimpatnam, NTPC. Okay, so why I'm integrating all this? Because how the real time will be there. Here, you should not always see on the goodwill in the business. You have to follow the terms and condition. Being a finance guys, especially while you define credit control area, you have to be very specifically and apply for everyone. If anyone says you to remove that, please ask them to send through official channel the particular message. Don't take your own decisions, especially who works in the support project. Is it clear? If you will do all kind of the things, you will lose the job, and also you have to borrow the particular amount. Is it clear? You guys earlier told no, you can take the amount by sue the party, right? By legally. Here also he has the right to take back the amount from you. There is one case, right? Earlier ICICI Bank video count case. Anyone had idea? The particular manager or I mean the particular manager only, no, top CEO lady was there, no.
Yeah, dear Chandra Kochar.
Yeah, perfect. She went behind the bars. So sometimes even you are the officer, if you will do guilty, you have to go behind the bars. So you have to be very careful. Whoever asks you, just tell them that please send me the message through official channel. That's it. Okay. If he does it, any kind of tactics, just come out from the organization officially. Is it clear? If you stay
There is
idle
no
for one
way.
month, then
There
what
is
am
no
I?
value of oral communication.
Yes, no value. Even in the implementation time also, some types of corporate politics will happen, Amma. Is it clear? You have to be very careful. Some guys, what they will do means they need to assign some work to you, but they will not do it. They will say again, I assigned you work, but you not done. Okay, because of that only, I'm getting some sort of pressure from the seniors. He will say in front of seniors. That is a black mark to you, right? That sort of things happens frequently. The particular team lead may remove your job. So whenever those kind of black marks anyone puts you on you, you has to be very careful. You has to say them politely, sir. I think it was not assigned to me. I think you are mistakenly you're saying to me. Okay, no problem, sir. I will do the particular work in the particular 2 or 3 days of time. You has to say them in front of them, but it should be in the polite manner. We
Avoid
should
it.
not show our arrogance. Okay, okay, Amma. Just come back, Amma. Okay, come here. Here, in case of customer account groups, how many business partner groups you have to maintain, guys?
As much as customers we have. No, 3.
3. Okay, as much as a customer account group, that is the correct answer. As well as you mentioned 3. Both are correct answers, Amma. Because we discussed here 3 account groups only:
Okay.
domestic, international, and one time. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, here, please come back again. Down payment you receive from the outsider, or any amount you receive from the outsider, is it a liability or asset to you? Anyone?
Yes, sir, it is liability because we have to refund if in case we are not
You has
fulfilling the
Yeah,
conditions.
good Amma. You has to give him either product or reback the fund. Yes or no? Refunding of fund.
Hmm.
So here the down payment which you receive from your customer, you has to consider, you has to record under current liability.
Current liability.
Current liability. Yes.
Now, guys, sometimes because of the competition or based on the terms and condition, you has to give the discount to whom? To your customer.
Customer.
Is it profit or loss to you?
Loss. It should be on the
Loss.
debit side of the P&L. Expenses.
Good. So the discount which you grant to your customer, you has to maintain under expenses and losses. Okay?
Discount given.
Yeah. Granted or allowed or given.
Yes. Yeah.
You can now. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now here, why we use a DZ document type, guys?
I think these
DZ, why we use?
DZ.
payment,
Yeah.
receiving the payment.
Customer payment.
Customer, excellent. DZ, customer payment. Next. D or
Customer invoice.
Advances, customer advances.
DA, customer advance. D or customer
Customer
invoice.
invoice.
Customer sales invoice.
Then KZ,
Vendor payments.
Vendor.
Payment. Customer payment.
Vendor payment.
KZ is
KZ,
vendor payment. KZ
DZ,
is customer
DZ customer payment.
customer payment.
Incoming
then
payment.
DA,
Customer document.
Customer down payment.
Customer document.
we call customer document or use the word customer down payment, Amma. Okay. In first, while we post a transaction, again I will show it. But in the theoretically, keep it as customer down payment. Because what kind of document we record there, it has to be known to everyone. Is it clear? Now, KA,
Customer advances.
KA.
Vendor
Vendor
advances given
posting.
to vendor.
D or
Vendor
D or
Customer invoice.
Customer invoice.
Customer.
K or
vendor
Vendor
invoice.
invoices.
Vendor invoice. Vendor invoice.
okay. Is it clear to everyone?
Yeah,
Yes.
How many document types we maintain?
4 doc.
three to vendor and three to customer.
3 for the vendors, 3 for the customer. Is it clear? Now,
Yes.
what is the SA document type number, guys?
0
You
1.
define number range, no?
10.
That number range number for SA document type you given 01. And when we missed the document type number range interval, it triggered the error. Yes or no?
Yes.
Should not cast.
Yes or no, guys?
Yes,
So
sir.
why you has to define the particular number range?
To identify the transaction of type of transactions.
Okay. So to define, in order to define the document type number range, you can identify the nature of the transaction. And number range we define in order to give the identification for the journal entry. Serial number for the journal entry. Is it
Journal
clear?
entry.
01
Identity.
journal entry is nothing but document, no? Journal entry, amma. Okay. Journal entry we call or document or transaction. 3 are same only. Is it clear? Don't go for the confusions. Okay. Again, please come back. Is it clear to everyone till now?
Yes, sir.
For GL document type, for SCA, we're giving 01, right? For DZ, the predefined number is 14. For DA, the predefined number is 16. D or 18. DZ 14, DA 16, DR 18. Is it clear? Next, KZ 15, KA 17, K or 19.
19.
Can you see the sequence, guys? 14, 16, 18, DZ, DA, DR, 15, 17, 19, KZ, KA, KR.
They must.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Any doubts, Amma, to anyone?
No.
No, sir.
Okay. Now, any one of you please share the screen and open the Word document. I will dictate you the note. Guys, instead of giving individual notes, can we go with the comparison table configuration also?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, right? Now, any one of you please share the screen, Amma, and open the Word document, MS Word. Or Notepad also, no problem.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Open Word document, Amma.
I have shared the screen.
Yes. No. Open Word document, Amma. MS Word document. Not SAP server access. Yeah, open Word document. Notepad also no problem.
Just type word in the search. WORD word. Yeah. That's the first one icon, Word app. You can open that one.
Yeah, perfect. There you can see insert, right? Table. Open the table. 3 cross 15.
But this is a viewer. I don't think so.
1 minute, Amma.
Actually, this version is view version. I think so.
There table we required, Amma. 3 cross 8 at least.
Table is not
Um,
available.
So
Close it.
Open main Word document. First one.
Otherwise, open an online Word.
Yeah, it's
I think
opening. It's opening.
it's
So,
opening, I think.
close this page and you can see backside there is a Word document. No, close it.
No, close this one.
This close this tab.
Open.
Go to blank document.
Yes.
Go to insert.
Table.
Good.
Insert
Tables will
table.
be there. Yes, table.
How many columns? How
3
many
cross 8.
columns? Yeah.
3 cross 8 or take more than 8, okay? If
Number
possible.
of column 8.
3 cross 15, Amma. Give it directly. 3 cross 3 and 15.
3 and 15.
Perfect. First one mentioned particular. On top, give here title comparison between accounts payable and accounts receivable. Write down comparison between
In the second
Here
column,
write down accounts payable. Third one accounts receivable. For accounts payable in bracket write down vendors. Next write down accounts receivable in bracket write down customer.
next, sir.
Okay. Here write down. Here I'll mention here account group. It means guys vendor account group. And in accounts receivable, it comes as customer account group. Okay. Here
Yeah.
write down first one. Define account group. Account group. Here only write down. Just click enter and write down. Number one, domestic. Number two, international. Number three, one time. In the
In
particular
a
box
first
itself.
column, in first column, sir.
Yeah, under particulars only.
Yeah. Domestic.
Just click enter, then write down almost separately. Domestic, then click enter, write down international. Just click enter. It has to be in the separate line. In the next line. Yeah, perfect. Now give here international. Again, click enter and write down one time. Next line, one time. Accounts payable take code, write down OBD3. Accounts receivable OBD2. Is it clear, guys? OBD2 you are using for to define customer account group. OBD3 vendor account group. OBD4 GL account group, right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
In the OBD4, there itself you define the account group and you define the number range. But here we'll segregate into the steps. Is it clear? Now write down
Yes.
define number range interval for account groups. Define number range interval for account groups. For account groups. Okay. Here also same mention domestic international one time. One time. Write down the T code XKN1 for accounts receivable XDN1. Accounts payable XKN1. N1. Accounts receivable XDN1. Next. Third one, write down assign account group to number range interval. Assign, write down the word assign account group to number range interval. Assign account group to assign account group to number range interval. Assign account group to number range interval. Please correct the statement. Use the word specifically. Assign account group to number range interval. Please check. Please change the
Yeah, starting instead of upon,
position
it
of
should be
assign
assign.
and account.
Change the assign to start.
Yeah, make assign as starting position. Copy the assign and paste in front of. Okay. After assign, write down account group account. Perfect. Here again, just click enter at the end and give the domestic international one time. Write down the T code accounts payable OBAS. Accounts receivable OBAR. Okay. To everyone, is it clear why we are defining this? Why we are doing these 3 steps? Anyone, please?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts to anyone, Amma? In order to give identification for the vendor and to manage the records, documents, journal entries. Is it clear? Next, write down. Define reconciliation accounts. Define reconciliation accounts. Write down the T code. I here write down. After define reconciliation account, write down one more time domestic international one time. Define reconciliation account. Just click enter and write down domestic international and one time. Here write down FS00 FS00 T code under current assets. Write down statement also under current assets, not underscore. FS00 comma under current assets and activate reconciliation account for vendors and activate reconciliation accounts for vendors. Account for vendors and activate reconciliation account for vendors and select field status group G067 and select field status group G067 and select field status group G067 67 G067 Next, right side write down FS00 under current liabilities. Under current liabilities. And activate reconciliation account for customers. And activate reconciliation accounts for customers. Write down the statement and activate reconciliation account for customers and select field status group G067. Is it clear to everyone? Under control data, we'll select recon account for account type, vendors or customers. Is it clear, guys, to everyone? While we
Yes,
create this GL account, we'll see it. Select field status group G067. Next, write down define tolerance for define tolerance. We use same T code, guys, but for both vendor and customers. Define tolerance. If you miss this step, okay, usually when we'll get the error, Rama? Anyone please try to give the answer. If you miss tolerance in GL, where you got the error? Anyone?
F-02.
While you posting a transaction, here also same. Is it clear? If you miss this step, while you post, it will trigger error. Not defined tolerance. Okay. May give the particular T code OBA3, OBA3. Same T code we use. Okay. Next, write down. Define document types. Which T code we use, guys? Anyone? To define document type, which T code we use? After field status group, after field status variant we were discussed, right? After OBC4, OBC5, what is the T code we used? Define document type OBA7. Yes or no? Same T code we use here. Okay, here write down OBA7. Then just click enter. Click enter there only. KZ dash vendor payment dash 15. Write down KZ vendor payment. We have to give for KZ KA KR and right side DZ DA DAR. You have to give the word specifically KZ. Yeah, perfect. KZ KZ dash 15. Next, just click enter, write down vendor document slash vendor down payment. Slash means or, guys. Vendor document or vendor down payment. KA dash 17. Next, just click enter, write down vendor invoice KR 19. Next, write down right side OBA7 customer payment DZ 14. You missed the T code. You have to give the T code also here. Everyone, can you guys, we'll take just 10 minutes break. Okay. Everyone just take 10 minutes break. You just keep on hold on. You just, okay, and take a break. Guys, everyone, please take 10 minutes break. Okay. At the end of this particular dictating, I'll share you this particular document. You guys no need to worry about it. Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Sudhakar's back or what?
No.
Yeah, yeah. One more time, please. Please open the Word document, guys.
Yeah.
Guys, here S4HANA is updated one, right? Yes or no? S4HANA is updated one. Before S4HANA, what it was there, Rama? In the SAP?
ECC, sir.
ECC.
ECC.
ECC. So in ECC, if you make all these things till now, what we done, it is fine. You can go directly for down payment and the rest things you can make it. But while it comes to S4HANA, mandatorily we have to define business partner. Is it clear? Is it clear, Rama, to everyone?
Yes.
If anyone practicing on ECC, if you guys can make up to this point, it is enough. Is it clear? In S4HANA, you have to do additional things. Now write down define number range interval for business partner groups.
Define number.
Arthur.
Define number range
Def-
interval for business partner groups. Business partner groups. T code BUCF.
No. Define number
Same for
range
both.
interval.
For business partner groups.
No. After range interval to write or no.
Here, while it comes to business partner, in the next step, we define business partner group and assign the number range. In order to assign the number range, we require number range now. So that is the reason in first step, we define the number range. Second step, we define business partner group and we assign number range. Is it clear?
Define number range for business partner group. Okay. Then
Yes, yes. Next, write down T code BUCF.
here in the particular first column and second.
First and second. Same T code BUCF. B for Bangalore, U for Uttaranchal, C for Chennai, F for Florida. F, not L. F for Florida. Copy it and paste in the accounts receivable also. Next, write down define grouping in bracket, write down business partner group. Next step, define grouping. Define grouping in bracket, write down business partner group. Define grouping and assign number range. And assign number range.
Continue with that one only.
Yes, yes. Okay. Here we'll not go with the path. Sorry, we'll not go with the T code. We'll go with the path. While we make configuration, okay, we'll write down the path. Okay. Next, write down. Assign account group to business partner groups. Assign account group to business partner group. Account groups means what? Both vendor and customer. Next, here also we'll use patham. Now, in the next line, write down payment and terms and conditions. Keep in the middle. Okay. Leave one line, then write down payment and terms and condition. Give the particular box. In the next box, write down. In the next box, leave it. Keep it as separate. Till now, if you make all the things, it is enough to create vendor and customer. It is the next beyond the particular point. Okay, you can raise right now purchase invoice and you can clear it. But for the down payment and payment conditions, we are doing the rest things. So that is the reason. Keep it blank. After this, we'll raise one purchase invoice, one sales invoice, and we'll clear it. Okay, so it is a separate one. Next, leave one particular line and write down payment and terms and condition. Leave the particular next line. Next box amount. Yeah, super. Select that. Next box. Okay, write down as a title, no problem. In the middle. Next box, write down. Okay, write down that down payment and the terms and condition. Not in the accounts receivable. Keep in the accounts payable, but keep it in space.
No, I could not.
In accounts payable.
Yeah.
Okay, write down in the accounts payable. Left box in the middle.
In the second column. Second column. Yes. Yes.
Yes, there. Okay, write down payment and terms and conditions. Okay. In particular, write down create down payment GL account.
Below, enter.
Not required, Amma. In the particulars, write down create down payment GL account. It should be the separate one. No? Next configuration step. This keep it as a title. Okay, here write down create a down payment GL account.
Create down payment.
GL account. Okay, here write down FS00 under current liability and activate reconciliation account for account type. FS00 under current liabilities and activate reconciliation account for vendors and select the field status group G067. FS00 and write down under current liability also.
Can you just scroll up a little bit the screen? The person who is sharing the screen. Yes. Yeah, thank you.
Here write down FS00 under current liability. Which account group you has to give it now? FS00 under current liability. And activate reconciliation account for vendor. and select the field status group G067.
Let's select full status.
Right side, right down FS00 under current asset. Account receivable. FS00 under current asset.
No, sir. In the customer, in customer, it should be the liability, na?
Account for
Here is to be the liability, na?
Here,
for
Very in the third column.
yeah. Sorry, guys. Just scroll it up, no? Once scroll it up.
Here is liability
Just
and
scroll
here
it up.
is correct.
Asset.
Scroll,
Yeah. Just scroll it up.
scroll it up.
Thank you, Mister. Under current accounts payable.
Payable
Okay.
means asset, na?
Here current liability, reconciliation account. Here because creditors comes under the liability, no? Just
So
go to top. It should be the asset. Okay, we'll correct all these four. Just wait. Here accounts payable vendors are nothing but suppliers are nothing but creditors. Creditors where will be there under liability. Okay. So give here defined reconciliation account. Give here FS00 under current liability. Please correct it, Sorry. Thank you, Mister.
So in the below we
No.
have
Go to top.
no, the top one.
Fourth one,
1, 2,
Thank
3,
you, Mister.
4. So it would be reversed. Okay. For AP, it would be liability, and
No.
for A.
Just yeah. In the case of asset, give here liability and accounts receivable asset.
Okay.
Remove the here asset. Give here liability. Thank you, Mister. Here accounts payable or vendors or suppliers are nothing but creditors. Creditors where will be there current liability. Okay. Now customers or debtors where will be there asset current asset. Give it as current asset. Now just scroll it down. Here write down current asset.
yeah.
Here also reverse it. Yeah.
But Sudhakar, why here it would be reversed? Under the AP, it would be always liabilities, right?
Now here down payment which you pay to your vendor, it is your asset. Is it clear? So that is the reason. And what you receive from your customer, it is asset because he is giving you some amount for the for your stock for your product. Give your current liability amount.
Okay, sir.
Now here write down next step. Assign down payment GLL for reconciliation account. Assign down payment GL for reconciliation accounts. Write down OBYR P code OBYR. Here OBXR OBXR Next, write down create payment terms. T code OBB8. Same T code we use for both vendor and customer.
OBBI.
8, number 8.
OBB8. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, these three rows are blank. Define grouping, partners group, path. So in the
We have
both
to give here path.
we
Yeah.
are in both path, na? In the both columns.
Yes. Next, write down assign payment term to vendors and customers. Assign payment terms to vendors and customers. T code BP.
T code.
T code BP. Business partner. BP. Next. Add two more tables. Left side you has to do, not right. Do the one more. Okay, here write down define discount account. Create discount GL account.
GL account.
FS00 under incomes and gains.
Under income and
Gains.
payments.
Gain.
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 GIN.
Next here FS00 under expenses and losses.
Under
Next
expense.
write down and losses. Next write down assign the discount GL account for automatic posting. Assign discount GL account for automatic posting.
Sir, automatic posting.
Posting, yeah. T code OBXU, OBXI. Write down T code OBXU.
Okay. OBXU.
XU.
Okay,
And
sir.
here OBXI.
OBXI.
Yeah, perfect. Please save it and forward to everyone in the meeting. No?
Yeah.
Save it.
Sir, there are two columns. Yeah, assign account group to business partner. Then what we have to here create?
Yeah, no. Keep it as a heading. Remove the word create.
Remove the row.
Yeah, keep it blank. Keep it as heading. Down payment and terms and condition.
Okay, this is a heading, na?
Yes.
It's a different section. Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Now, everyone, please take the screenshot. Go to top.
Yeah.
File we can't add here. Okay, you guys no need to worry. Just take screenshot. Everyone. through these teams, we can't send the file. Okay.
Sir, I have to clarify here. Account
Yeah, please,
payable,
please.
yeah. Define the reconciliation account, domestic life. We have taken the current liabilities. It is the current
Okay.
liability and current asset. And in the bottom, where we have
Mhm.
changed the down payment side. The
Here,
this
what it is means here, what you're doing, you're creating the account, no?
yeah
Down payment, what you pay to your vendor, it is
yeah
your
yeah yeah,
asset.
yeah, yeah. Yep, yes,
That is the
understand.
reason we recorded as a current asset.
Yes, understand. Liabilities.
Yes.
Just
Just go to top, no? All will take the screenshot.
just liability.
Actually, I forgot it, Emma. I thought like Zoom only. So, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, just stay at alone. Everyone, please take the screenshot. Now, again, just scroll it down.
Yeah.
Just down. Just down. Yeah, please stop. Again, please scroll it down. Yeah, please stop. Okay. I'm sharing these particular three screenshots, guys. Please download it yourself.
Sir, very nice. Very nice. All these things are consolidated in a one format. So we have to remember
Yeah, yeah.
very nice.
Do one thing, Prashant. You can save this file and send it on WhatsApp group.
Yeah, he will do it, Amma, later.
Yeah. So right now, are you sharing, Sudhakar, the screenshots?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Or is it possible we can just copy paste as well this entire table? Prashant, you just
Yeah, yeah,
copy
yeah.
and paste
If
it
possible,
over the
copy
chat.
paste, Amma.
Copy.
Copy it and paste it.
Where to
Copy and
copy
then paste
paste?
it, Amma.
Where to copy paste?
In the chart.
Chat box. Okay.
Yes, yes. Guys, I
Copy.
hope theory was clear, but you guys has to remember all the T codes. In order to recall easily, I given this. Is it clear? So you guys please read it.
Yes, sir. This is
On
very
tomorrow, yeah.
I
On
think
tomorrow,
send it.
we'll see the configuration. If you will not remember the T code, this will be like a utter flop movie. If you know the T codes, it is too easy. Can you all get my point? All the
No,
things
sir. This is
is depends on your hand.
today's session is very fantastic, sir. This is the gist of the account payable, receivable, general ledger life. All things.
Yes. Okay, Amma. Thank you all, guys. We'll meet on tomorrow, same time, 8 to 10. Tomorrow,
Yes, sir.
please be on the time. Okay. On
Thank you,
Saturday,
sir.
we usually start lately, but on Sunday, we'll start early. Tomorrow, we has to complete both AP and AR.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow, we may take extra time. So please cooperate with us. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
definitely.
Okay,
done,
sir.
Definitely.
Thank
Sudhakar.
you.
Thank
Good
you.
night.
Thank
Okay,
you.
guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Take
sir.
care, everyone. Bye,
Thank you
guys.
all.
Thank you.
Bye.
Please
Bye, sir. Thank you.
select the particular chart and paste in your Word document. Okay. Please complete that also. Okay. Thank you all. Bye, guys.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.